Hey everybody, this is your introductory video for week 1 of the class. So I am in modules. That's where you should be if you're watching this video. So this week we have to do the introductory and the week 1 course modules. So let me kind of walk through the basics of this. Most of this is just policies and procedures for taking online courses. At Hines, if you've taken classes before, you're taking another class this semester, you probably know some of this. There is an orientation survey that you can take. It doesn't count it against you. It just gives us some good information about the class and your experience, so we can make changes to make sure that you're having a good experience as a student and understand what's required of you. So this is our week 1. This is our week 1 module. These are the dates. Now your dates may be a little different from this, but the dates are on your class. Shows you how to navigate the course, which is pretty straightforward, just using modules. How do you change your notification preferences? How do you see your grades? Information about proctored tests. There's only one assignment for a grade this week. It's a getting to know you assignment. It is it's a discussion question. So I introduce myself to the class, and that's what you're going to do as well. The discussions every week require you to have your answer to the discussion question has to be at least 100 words. And your response, if you have to respond, which most every week you have to respond to a classmate's post, that response to your classmates has to be at least 50 words long. One of the nice things about Canvas is it counts your words for you. So let me walk through this. Real quick for you so you can see what it is. You can see how to navigate. It's real simple. You go through and you do what is on that page, and then you just hit the next button right there, and it takes you straight to the next page. So it's a real simple process. You look through what you've got. This is how do I navigate the course, and then there's a next button for you, and that's how you move through. That's how you move through the module. You can set it up to text message you, send you messages through Canvas, email you. There's lots of different ways you can see things in your grade book. There's information. These are policies and procedures about proctored tests. If you just click on the Smarter Proctor button, it's real simple for you to sign up for those tests, and there's study guides in your module. This is that discussion for week 1. So there's a picture of me and my family. It would be me. That's my wife, Elaine. That's our daughter, Esther. Our daughter, Lily. We adopted both of them from China. And this is our son, Benaya. All 3 of our kids have special needs. So Benaya and Esther are both in wheelchairs. Esther is the only one that speaks. Benaya and Lily don't speak. They're both nonverbal. Benaya is our biological child, and we adopted Lily and Esther from China. So that's my family. That's my crew. You have to make your post at least 100 words long when you introduce everybody to the class. And when you click in there, you'll be able to see, it'll count your words for you. So Canvas makes that really easy to do. So let me just go over a couple things that you need to know in terms of policies and procedures for this class. One thing you need to do, if you haven't done it already, is you need to go to the App Store. If you have a cell phone, you need to go to the App Store and you need to download the Canvas app. That's just going to be easier for you. That way, whenever you have questions, you can just pull up your app and message me. And if I need to contact you about something or something changes in the course, I can message you through the Canvas app. So that'll make things easy for you to keep up with everything. It shows you what your grade is, so you always know your average. The Canvas app is a great tool for you. So you need to go to your App Store and download it. It's free for you. Another thing you need to do, we will have some video assignments in this class. One of the things that makes those video assignments easy is to download the YouTube app. So if you have a cell phone, you can go to YouTube and download the YouTube app. It is really easy to record videos and upload those videos to YouTube. That's the easiest way for me. The video you're watching right now is one on YouTube, so that's a simple way to do it. I found YouTube to be very reliable, load videos really quickly. So download the YouTube app and you can record your videos straight from the YouTube app. That makes things real simple. Attendance guidelines. You were recorded absent during the week if you do not do any of the assignments during the week. So you could log in and look at everything, but you don't get credit for that. You have to do at least one assignment in order to be recorded absent. Obviously, there's multiple assignments. You can see in week 2, there's multiple assignments that are going to be due. But if you complete one of them, you'll be recorded as present. If you only complete one, you'll get zeros for the rest of them. But that's how a attendance is recorded, by you actively being involved in completing assignments during the week. So that should be fairly simple for you. So to get started, just hit the next button in the right-hand corner of your screen once you get into the module, and things should be pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be glad to help. Good luck.